In this session, I will explain a program in Python, sum of two numbers. So I am going with Python shell and I am opening a new file. So here I am taking two numbers as A and B and I am giving input for these two numbers as integers. To give input, we are using a function called input. Taking here input for both, input function for both A and B. And I need to change this into integers. For this I am using int function here and I am taking this input function within the int function. Now we need to go with A plus B means we are getting sum of two numbers. So directly I am printing print A plus B. By this we are getting the input and output regarding Python program. Now I am executing this. Before that I am saving. I'm saving as sum.py. So we need to use .py extension for Python. Now it is a shell and here I am going to execute this. So two inputs we need to give. That is 10, 20. So directly I am taking 30 here. So this is general program and I want to change something here. For suppose I am not understanding here what we need to give as input. That's why I am taking the statements here. So within this I am taking enter a value and enter b value. Now I am taking this one like, so I need to take sum of, in the double quote, sum of, I am using here braces. Braces represents first value and second braces represents second value here. Third brace represents third value. After this braces, I am closing double quotes. Then I am taking dot and I am using another function here, format. Value is A, second value is B. And third value is A plus B. I am using comma separation here for three values. Now we need to see this. Saving this, I am executing. Now it is asking enter a value. That is 12 I am giving, enter B value. I am giving some 15 and automatically I am getting 12 and 15. Sum of 12 and 15 is 27. Regarding sum of two numbers program in Python.